Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Now in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's tap on device unlock and face and fingerprint unlock. Before we'll be able to set the fingerprint, we have to choose a backup screen lock method, so pattern, pin or password. I'll choose the pattern, let me tap on it and draw it, redraw it and confirm. Of course, if you've got your lock screen currently applied, you will not have to do it. You will just omit this step and go directly to adding the fingerprint. Here the notification content up to you, just tap on done, and here let's tap on the fingerprint. Right here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so how it works, that you're in control, and basically for what you can use the fingerprint for. So for example, authorizing the purchases, and then tap on I agree. Now we've got the instructions, so we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device on the right side, so on the power button. So all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor and right now do it multiple times to add your fingerprint fully. Of course, change the position of your finger to add all of the parts of it. Then let's tap on done. We just successfully added the fingerprint, and here we've got the fingerprint section where we can manage the functions. We can unlock the device, we can lock the applications and quick launch shortcuts. Here we've got the list of our fingerprints, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it or just rename it if you want to, and add another fingerprint. As you can see, you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Alright, so now let me lock the device and we will check if it is working. So let me lock it, let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.